Okay, so here I am, another day, and yesterday I scheduled a massage, a reflexology massage. Oh my gosh, I just left there. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh my gosh, I just can't say enough. I feel like I'm myself, if not even better. I'm just so grateful that I got to do that. So I did get a little trim yesterday on my hair, but it was more like I took scissors to my hair. It was just driving me crazy. So it's a little nuts from the massage because they did the head and neck massage, but my hair does feel a lot better. See how the rest of the day is. I'm going to see if I can fit in a manicure, and that should pretty much be it, other than maybe my eyebrows. But anyway, we are feeling so much better. I'm so happy, so happy. And it rained yesterday, which to me, I just absolutely love the rain. So anyway, it's just been one beautiful gift after another, and I'm just so grateful to be home and get life back on track. So I'm gonna run in, go buy some distilled water, and just go on with my day. I'll see if I can find a place and get my nails done. Okay, so I just got out of the grocery store. I ended up picking up alkaline water. I like to drink a lot of water after I get either a massage, and like today I got this reflexology massage, which I can't say enough about. But I also did pick up one other thing. Let me see if I can hold my camera this way. And that was some raspberry coffee cake. I've been craving something not overly sweet, but just some comfort food, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and get myself situated. I'm trying to see if I can get an appointment for my nails. And okay, so my son decided to go to the park, and wait till you see what this weather is doing. He's so cute. So I found him. We're gonna meet up at the path and the walking path, and then pick him up and then take him home. So anyway, just a quick note, I got my nails done. I'm super happy. I'll show you in better lighting, but for now I think I am going to go ahead and call it a night. One of the main reasons I wanted to make sure I got home on time was because it was my daughter's birthday, so I made it home with just a couple of days to spare. Being in Phoenix was the longest I had been away from my children, so this was definitely just a joyous occasion. How old are you?
17. Oh man, I
17.
dropped the guava.
How is that possible?
I dropped it.
We celebrated her birthday by eating at Casa Grande Dos. We absolutely love this restaurant. The owners, the staff, everybody here is like family, and they treat us just like we are part of the family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Marlene. Happy birthday to you. Oh no!
Go! Yay! All right, so I am super excited. I finally am on my way to go see my friend Crystal. Crystal, I've mentioned her in the past. She's from the Bombach family. She's got her own YouTube channel, but super happy. I haven't seen her in 2 months. So, oops, I am on my way to her place. But, oh, I forgot to show you. I got my nails done. I had them done with French manicure tips, but I didn't like the way they turned out, so I went to my place, and I happened to have gone to a different place, so I went back to my place and I just had them redone. I didn't want to be wasteful, but I also wanted to feel confident, and so there you go. Anyway, so let me go ahead and get myself there. Okay, so I am going to run into the grocery store really quick. I'm going to pick up some chips. She's going to get some pizza, and we are just going to hang out, and I am so happy to do that. But I'm finally starting to feel a little more like myself. Like I said, I'm getting a little more put together. I don't know if you can see my nails. They've got these cute little silver stripes on them. Anyway, I'm just happy, and you can tell it's like a rainy day, and I love the rain. So anyway, let me go ahead and get everything for tonight, and then I will see you all in a little bit.
I was on my way to Crystal's when I saw this beautiful view, so I just had to pull over and take some pictures.
Good morning. It is a Sunday, and I am so excited to start finally getting back into my routine. I've been here for a week now, and it's been so nice. So I caught up with a couple of friends. I've slept a lot. My nails are done. My eyebrows are pretty much done. My hair is my hair. So anyway, but I do feel much more like myself. So anyway, I am on my way to church, and I will see you all in a little while. Okay, so I'm here. I am at church. I forgot that this weekend was Hot August Nights, and they actually have some beautiful, beautiful cars sitting outside. If you have not been to Reno where they have Hot August Nights, they've got all these beautiful old vintage, I don't know what that was. It was like a thump. Anyway, beautiful old vintage cars, and they're just so primed out. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the cars. They have some right outside of the church building. Oh, and by the way, as you can tell, I'm completely plain today. Being out in Arizona and out in the sun, I really got a lot darker than my natural skin tone. So my makeup, it doesn't match. I gotta go find some. And I'm actually looking up some product. As you can tell right here, like my hair is naturally wavy and I'll have some curls here and there, but I changed products while I was in Arizona because it just felt like it was weighing it down. And now that I'm back in Reno, it's just some other stuff is going on. So I need to figure out what to do, kind of replenish my hair. I might have to cut some of this off. I did a slight little trim on it and it seemed to help, but today it's doing its own thing. So anyway, long story, let's go check out the cars before services start. Good morning.
After church services, I decided to stop at Five Below just to see what new products had come in since I've been gone. They had so many new clothes. I really liked seeing all of these really cute tank tops. All of them had like a ribbed fabric to them, and they all had matching shorts, which I thought was really cute. The shoe section was not fully stocked, but they did have some cute ones. I'm guessing they had just stocked their leggings because they had a lot of them. And of course I have to check out all of their t-shirts. They really do have some cute t-shirts, nice designs, and they're all $5, and the quality has been really good. And they also carry jewelry. These reminded me of swatches from the 1990s. I did walk back over to the t-shirt section, and I wanted to show you some additional ones that they had here. And as you could see, the sign said $5. They already have a lot of their sweatshirts out. They have these beautiful fall colors, and they have matching shorts. Let me back up a little so you can see their full collection. I decided to take a peek over here at the toy section, and they genuinely have a lot of great stuff. Of course, I'm looking at all the arts and crafts. These great little circle canvases, and there's 2 of them, and you get them for $5. I really like this adjustable artboard. I'd actually use it for my laptop. Look at these easels. I thought they were very nice. And they also had it in black. Here are some more art supplies. Cute little 3D erasers. I love the little boba cup. Watercolors. They also had these little watercolor paints. They came in little tubes. And acrylic paint. I was surprised to see Marvel toys. They have this one, which was Iron Man. They also had Black Panther. And they also had Pop toys. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm going to go home, get some rest, and spend some time with our little dog Cookie, who has not left my side since I got home. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.